Hello everyone, welcome to Stravence Consulting. We have explained in our previous video about natural language processing. Today we're going to show you how to introduce it into your organization. It's a AI tool, how to introduce an AI tool into your organization, no matter the activity you are doing, no matter the size of your organization. How to be more competitive, how to save time, how to save money again by introducing a AI tool. The importance of it, we have explained it already. I'm going to repeat it shortly. Let's say you are a high school, a educational institution, you are a high school, you are a primary school, or you are a university, or you are a college. You usually have a repetitive question that people ask you about the course you are providing, the intake, the ongoing lessons, the deadline, the location, how about the recognition of the organization. I mean, every single day I've been in that position. uh, Registration office of the organization of higher institution, they always got calls, message, WhatsApp message, emails, okay, of people asking about same questions. Or can I register for this term? When is the last day of registration? Or can I take this course? Can I do whatever? Can I have more information on this course? Is it recognized? Is it how many lessons? How long does it take? So all those questions are usually asked to organization, for example, educational institution. Mm, and every time you must be online as a principal or a registrar office. You must be online, you must be available, you must have data, your phone must be charged, or your computer. You must open your email address, because you need to answer emails that people are leaving you. They are repetitive tasks. How to save time, okay? How not to do those repetitive tasks every single day. Because let's say your phone is lost, or something happened to the organization, or your device is lost, or your internet is having an issue, and there is something happened, and then you can't be available, you can't be answering to questions that people are asking on via WhatsApp, or via email, or via normal message. So a natural language processing, like a chatbot, is there to help you solve those problems by answering for you, for your organization, those questions that people are usually asked to the organization. Okay? Those repetitive questions that people may be asking about your organization, a chatbot is there to answer for them. And while a chatbot is implemented to answer external people who want to know more about your organization, you could be focused to do many other productive activities that could grow your organization. Okay, so the point here is to become more competitive, to save time, to save money, and to grow your organization. Okay, to find out to which activity the organization can be more focused, maybe for marketing area, or for many other area where you can be more and more focused and grow your organization. So a chatbot is there to help your organization um, to read and answer messages, to recruit people. Okay, and then the good question is how to implement it. Then we are gonna take back again on what we have said in our previous video about data, the importance of having a database in your organization. Without a database, you can never be using AI. Okay, you can never be able to use AI if you don't have a database. Okay, you need to have a database before starting using any AI tool. Because if you don't have a database, you'll be using ChatGPT asking question every single day. So do you expect to be more competitive by using ChatGPT? Do you expect to be more competitive by using Gemini? Or do you expect to be more competitive by saving time, money, and focus on many aspects of the organization that could give to the organization more money, more customer, to enhance the brand of the organization? So the first step is to have a database. Okay, you need to collect data. Okay, from your organization. If, for example, you've been having a message to us through WhatsApp or email address or whatever, you need to collect all those messages, all those questions people usually ask about your organization. You need to put them into a database. Okay, database, of course. And then you need to have a very legit one document. Okay, a legit document. I mean, after collecting questions, after collecting data, you need to make to those question or data from your organization, of course, and question people usually ask. You put them together. Okay, and then you need to have them approved. Okay, let's go step by step. Sorry, you need to get approved data that you want to implement on your chatbot first of all. Okay, you need to get data from your organization. Of course, don't share all confidential data with AI. You need to know which data to put out for the public. Collect them and put them into a document approved by the organization. Okay, and then you need to set rules. You need to know what AI can do and what AI cannot do for your organization. Okay, AI cannot do everything for your organization. AI cannot take major decisions for your organization. AI cannot take sensitive decisions for your organization. You need to be very, very careful. Okay, AI can do is to answer question by using company policy documents, the one that have been approved already. AI can suggest draft replies, advanced AI. Okay, then after that, you need to build a test with a small group in your organization. What does it imply? The test with a small group in your organization is to train members of your organization about what you are implementing as a business leader or as a HR. We're about to implement a AI tool, this AI tool, a chatbot for our organization, for our institution. We want this repetitive question to be answered directly from our chatbot. So we're going to lead people to go and ask from our chatbot. I need you guys to give me question that people usually ask about our organization. You discuss it with your department, with your employees, with your organization members, intern. Okay, after discussions and then after collecting again second type of data from your member. And then after testing those data, how do you test those data? You are allowing them to ask you questions. After they ask you questions, and then you are answering those questions. Okay, you answer those questions based on document and based on file, document legit file. Okay, what is already written in your organization about the inquiring that people are asking. Okay, and the suggestion that you'll be giving. And then you ask your small group about the answer you are providing them. The question is to know, are my answers to your questions satisfied? Hmm? My answers, are they correct? Am I giving you correct answers to your questions? Are you satisfied? And then those unanswered questions that you haven't, you can draft uh, answers answered answers to those unanswered questions that you may be faced with. Okay, it's a long process that may take you 2 to 4 weeks, almost a month in your organization, training your member team and asking them about the satisfaction on their questions, and then collecting again those data. And then after that, you ask them to report correct answer that you have given them, and then answer that wasn't correct. After that, collecting all data, putting that into a bot. Okay, after putting those data into the bot, then is a final test, and then you track the success of your bot, your chatbot, by allowing the public to get used to it. Of course, guys, a long process. I will be pleased to answer your questions. I can't explain everything here. If you want a personal training, or if you have an organization, you want to implement a chatbot, you want to know how to do it practically, how to collect questions, how to collect answers, how to draft question, how to implement a chatbot, how to put question into a chatbot, the benefits of the chatbot, how to be more competitive out here. You are warmly welcome. You just have to DM us, and then we're gonna personalize our training step by step in more details. We were just giving you an overview on how a chatbot can help your organization to be more competitive.